Hey guys, good morning. I woke up a while back, about half an hour or so back. I slept on time, but then I woke up at about 5:36, and I was up for about an hour, and that fucked up the continuation of the sleep. And then I slept again for an hour, and I woke up after half an hour, 1.5 hours. Damn, might's not working yet, but I'm up now, and I try not to sleep. Besides, maybe half an hour in the afternoon if I feel too sleepy. I've had chai since morning and a biscuit and a bread. Maybe I'll have something else. I'm very inclined to take a break from the stage today, but there's a spot I've taken at 8 p.m. If the show happens, I'll do that. And if I go there, I'll go to my regular gig as well. But I will take a break tomorrow in case I don't take a break today. There's a bunch of stuff I need to do. Besides, I'm going to stage every day. Sometimes doesn't give me time to do some of the shit that I need to do. So I'll do that. See you later in the day. Hey guys, I'm sitting in a cafe right now. Just came to have a couple of drinks. I was quite dehydrated, so came to have a Coke soda and Jalzira. While I was just scrolling Insta on the side, there's a guy I've followed on Insta and generally on social media for a while, and his work has been amazing. He's a cartoonist and he's a comedian, and he posted today about his mom passing away, and I almost cracked. I'm so emotional right now. The things we can only wish for, and we know they can't be true, but we can wish for them. And I wish your parents live forever. I wish all our parents live forever. But it's a wish, it cannot be true. Impossible wishes. So I'm ready to go to the gym now, but हिम्मत हो नहीं रही है मेरी. सो गया था मैं थोड़ी देर. I had Coke soda and Jalzira. उसके बाद आके मैं थोड़ी देर सो गया. Last week I did 16 sessions of gym, including the self-workout gym and classes and dance, whatever. And I've realized that, since I'm trying to lose belly fat, it's not exercise that'll make me do it. 80% is the discipline with diet. Okay, so I'll do it. Now reach that conclusion that 80% is diet. I'll do whatever it needs to do to fix my diet to reach that point. Yeah, so I don't need 16 sessions of gym also to kind of reach there, but I'll kind of strike some sort of a balance. Mummy was here, she's just left. She's gone to my sister's place, so she's been jumping between my sister's place and my place for the last about 6-7 months now, and I'm back to being with myself now. I'm still emotional about that news of this acquaintance of mine who lost his mother. I looked at my mom's skin. She's also touching 70. She's 70 now. I don't know. Her skin is loosening up. So is that of my father. If your parents are old, no? The older they get, the more you need to pay attention to them. Yeah. None of us know how much time we've got, but they for sure have got less time. Alright, I wanted to take a photo. It's a fucking video. 12 minutes. चाहे जो तुझे पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वो ही सबसे हंसी है, उस हाथ को थाम लो वो मेहरबान कल हो ना हो. Hey guys, this is the day review for 27th of April 2026. The day is over. I just came back from a walk. I went to Galleria Market just to walk today because I took a break from performing tonight. I've been physically and mentally tired. The weekend really tires me. I'm in 2 shows on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, plus I travel to other comedy clubs to kind of perform, and I get tired physically and mentally. So today I took a break. The show's on tonight, but I didn't go. So I took a conscious break. So I just came back from a walk. I did hit the gym though. I did my crunches and pull-ups and some dance. I was tired though, but I managed it. So yeah, the day was overall. I tried to relax. I did some stuff which I otherwise don't get time to do. And I'll do some of that tomorrow. Also, I have a dentist visit tomorrow, which is pending for a while. So I'll go there in the afternoon tomorrow. I have some pain in some of my tooth. That's some clerical shit I don't talk about, but I know I'm talking about it. So yeah, look forward to tomorrow. Today is over.